just saying, let's say you've got $1 million property and you got a $750,000 loan. If you've got a 6.5% interest rate, you're paying about $4,700 principal and interest. If you've got a 5% interest rate, you're paying $4,026, roughly $700 difference.
Yeah.
Over a 12-month period, that's going to cost you $8,400. It's not a huge, I mean, $8,400 is a lot of money, but in the scheme of things, it's not a massive, because you can change, so you're spending $8,400 to get into the market right now.
Yeah, I agree.
Right?
Yeah.
And get the property you want. And that's going to go up 5% this year in Orange County. Home price expectation survey says 2.4, but whatever.
Yeah.
Right? So let's just say, I mean, because it's easy, 5%. That's $37,500. You're going to spend $8,400 extra to get it. How many times do you want to spend $8,400 to get $37,500?
Every time.
Right?
Yeah.
As often as I can do it.
As often as I can do it.
Right? Until I run out of checks.
Yep.
And I'll buy more.
Yep.
Right? It's pretty simple. So what Danny's saying makes, from a numbers standpoint. Now, I know you need a house. You need some place to live. And I don't get involved in that part of it because I don't understand it. I got a real estate license. I'm not qualified to use it. Right? That's why you go to the professionals. But just from the numbers standpoint, makes total sense.
Yeah, I think that, I think that especially too, people need a place to live, like you said. And I think that, people want to own a home. And the other side of this equation too, that's important we haven't talked about is rents. Rents are through the roof. I mean, we don't do a lot of rental work with people, but we do from time to time. And I'm always shocked, including last week when we put someone in a rental, and how much someone's paying for, a 4-bedroom home, in this case in Huntington Beach. And, rents are exactly those same numbers that you're paying on a mortgage. So you got to come up with the down payment. That can be a stretch, but, lenders, they have ways to help with programs, and you can do lower down payment loans. And, so there's ways to get into the properties with the loan. And because the mortgage is like a rent. It's like a rent payment.
Take a look at this. I just pulled this up while you're talking about that. Median rent for Newport Beach, I just had that one on my screen, $6,825.
Right?
Median rent.
And you don't get any tax benefit from that. You don't get any appreciation on the market, which we know.
Your landlord says thank you.
They thank you every time they get that check.
Exactly.
Yep.